So I have my glasses on. I don't want crap to pop in my eyes. And got my OD solder, and this is the stuff that is designed with extremely low levels of lead in it. It's made for plumbing systems with, potable water systems. This actually comes directly out of the cold water faucet. And now, to mess with fire. See why I'm so careful underneath these things? Jeez. I gotta readjust. Steam coming out the end there. Whoops. There we go. So I'm worried about the back side of this joint getting warm enough. And that's probably the magical trick right there. See if she's ready. Nope, not ready yet. That little green flame. She's done. So now I'm going to give that just a few minutes. To cool off, and then I'll walk down and actually, I need to install that other pipe and then go down and turn the water on. Let's see. I always like to look at the back side of the joint. I don't want to download this crap from the camera. So, what I have is a little mirror, and that way I can see my work on the back side. See, I see a tiny bit of solder in there. I'd really like to see a little bit more, but that's all right. Oh, okay. I see there's a tiny bead on the back side. That's good enough. So it dripped out the bottom. And the top, no problems. That very likely is a good joint. If not, cut off, do it again. Ain't no big deal. Alright, let's go outside.